When I first saw you, I knew I had to take you home. My friends, they argued I couldn't raise you on my own. But I was sure that you were meant to be with me. You were my angel, sent from above to set me free. Let's get in my car and I will take you for a ride. Go to the forest, greet all the customers inside. I won't forget all that you've done for my life. My only hope is you're up there chasing butterflies. You were right there by my side. And when I needed answers, well, I just looked into your eyes. Now I don't know all of the love you felt inside.